welcome back, folks. Bringing you something a little different. Now, I've been using the Excalibur shovel now for about a month. 4 or 5 digs on it, and I want to show you the shovel, do a quick review on it. I like it, and I think you will too. Check out these short clips. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and maybe consider getting a different shovel. This could be the one. Check it out. Here's the shovel right here, guys. 40 inches. They got a, and then if you're a YouTuber, you got a channel, let the guy know, or you can pay for it. It didn't cost a thing if you actually have a channel. Right there, you can see they'll put your name on it. It has the name Coptech, my YouTube channel name. And this gentleman that made this, a little history behind this. He actually worked for NASCAR for a while, fabricating the mufflers, a lot of experience in that. He was into metal detecting and kept having issues with his shovel, so he decided to make his own. And then of course you have the Excalibur shovel. Look at these little, I don't know what you call those, little welding notches he puts on there for a grip. That's kind of cool. And then it has a nice powder coat finish. And again, you can pick out your color. They've got, you know, 4 or 5 different colors in there. And I think it's a great deal. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to go out and dig right now. All right, first dig. Goes in nice and smooth. I love, you can do like a precise, I can almost push this in with my hand here. Don't really even need it. Use my foot. Knock it out. First find with the Excalibur shovel. Looks like we got us a Lincoln. Just got us another Lincoln. Digging with that Excalibur. And a good thing with this Excalibur, you can literally push it in, do a little circle, and it just cuts right through. And it's the right height for me. You know, getting up and down when you get a little older, it could be tough. So this helps as like a cane, man. Every time you get up, I'm using this to help get up, especially if you got bad knees. So I would suggest, if you fall into that category, make sure you get to 40 inch. But it seemed to cut right through some of the roots. No issues. Yeah, hey, this shovel, 40 inches. Now you see that? I just got up with it. Perfect height to get up and down. I did put some rubber on the end here, give a little extra comfort. So guys, I'll put a link in if you're interested in one of these shovels. You can go to the link listed right there on the screen. Excalibur, pick you up one. No, they put a little glow strip tape on there also if you're out at night or you want to find your shovel. There you go. No issues. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to start doing a little detecting now. Now I know the soil's wet, guys, but this Excalibur is just working great. Again, ultra light. You can just kind of go in a circle with it. Again, I'm digging this. Second time out with a shovel. Guys, we're going to dig that with this new Excalibur shovel. Yeah. Didn't seem real deep. Maybe it is. Let's give another quick dig there. Let's go down and take a look here a little closer. But guys, let's see. Oh, we got us another penny. Yeah, I'm loving it. You know what that shadow is? baby. That's the Excalibur. Digging it. Third time out, loving it. I also want to point out it's light enough and not too tall that my grandson, 10 years old, he's using it and able to get around just fine with it. Ultra light, guys. You can just drag this along with you. It only weighs 3.25 pounds. Easy to handle. You can see just move along with ease right there. And this is the 40-inch Sir Kay T-handle Excalibur shovel. Now watch right here. Look how easy you can get up with this. Just use it as support. Perfect. That's why I got the 40-inch, being a tall guy. Guys, that's a wrap on the Excalibur shovel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've used this thing now maybe 4 or 5 different times. No issues with it whatsoever. Really enjoy it. And again, if you want to get one, I'll put the link up in the video. Check it out. And this is the Sir Kay 40-inch. I got it for my height. And I just absolutely love it. So I think I'm going to hang with this for a while. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments below and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next dig.